So most virtual spaces can be generated as images. What matters in this project is not the image, but the system behind it. In this workflow, I'm showing how I translated my research question into a navigable virtual environment using Unity and spatial audio softwares. Rather than producing a static mockup, I manually constructed a spatial logic, movement system, and deployment pipeline. To establish the credible base environment more efficiently, I began with selected asset store resources that matches the spatial topology of my project topic. And here I just chose all of the things and downloaded them into my assets. And here I just opened one of those to open that in the Unities. As you can see, just click that and then you can open that in the Unity and all things could be imported. Shows some interfaces of how you import that and just click. And here shows all the resources, those assets within, check around, see those components, and then you just import that into the whole scene you establish. Okay. Now I'm just checking around for every single asset it was exported, and then just check those properties on the inspector interface to see how it could be manipulated to change the textures, to change the lighting or something, so that it'd be more convenient for me to determine what components would be reserved, the other one would be abandoned. So after checking around, I want to make sure all the components within the hierarchy is the right way I want to design. So here, I want to manipulate all the environmental elements and cues around. Like, for example, I'm changing the light, I'm changing the digits of those things, those values, so that it fits my expected effects here. So here, in order to create a better atmosphere and environment under my topic, I'm trying to manipulate all the different components within, like those elements, vehicles, surroundings, furnitures, natural environment. So I just use rotations or transitions to set up the layout, and also including how do I put those figures around to create a crowd or something. So I need to adjust it for time by time in order to make the best effect. After fundamental manipulations, I could change the materials to change the look of those different components within, so that it fits my overall thing. To spatial audio, so right now we are using the platform called the Spatial Audio Toolkit. So we need to pull up the website, which is toolkitspatialaudio.installation. And here in this website, you're gonna see the specific steps we're gonna use. The first of all is to click this version of Unity 2021 3.44, and we just click that and download that. Since I already downloaded that, so just quickly go through. Okay. And then we need to download the template. I already downloaded that, and which is here. Pull up this. So this is the template, all the things installed here. And right on the right up corner, it shows the portal here. And we come back into the streamline. So we need to install all the things we have right now. And the first step is to download these assets we have. So we need to right click, export a package, and then we export that, all the things we have. Okay, so we've already exported all the assets. We need to pull up this platform and we need to import all the assets here. So I just drag the things into it. Okay, so the import process being completed, we need to search for what we need, the assets we imported. We'll just search on that. It's this walking street demo, double click, and then we open this node. Right now it's all pink, so no worries. I think that's because materials has not been applied to all the assets here. So we need to search for what we got from the asset groups, and we need to open the models, materials, select all of these, click asset edit, rendering materials, convert all those things, upgrade it. Okay, so right now seems all the things being applied here, and just a few small models that need to be applied with the materials. And the next steps is about how do we export that through this portal. So we need to first log in with account, so all the things have been logged in. Just get a login token from the platform, and then you just paste it and you can log in. And the second is about checking your configurations. So you need to make sure your package is in the right track, so it could be imported. And I got this name of feature demos, and my asset scene is walking street demo, which is right. And then we need to test the scene. Before that, make sure the active package is the right one. And here, the system automatically checked that it has some errors which needs to be fixed. You just click execute, and will help you automatically fix the issue. Okay, so after repetitive operations, it seems we fixed all the issues here, and we just double check the active package, which is walking street demo, which is correct. And then we're gonna test the scene, click. Alright, it started to build and transit all the things there. Just wait a second, it's too big. And it will automatically jump into a spatial IO platform. It's loading. Okay, so right now we just import all the scene into the spatial IO, which is perfect. And you can see all the environment settings, assets here. Look exactly what we want from the unities.